Are you looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to commute without the hassle of traffic or parking? In this video, we'll be counting down the 5 best folding electric bikes available today. Whether you need a compact ride for city commuting, a powerful motor for longer trips, or a lightweight foldable design for travel and storage, we've got you covered. We've also included links in the description so you can check prices, features, and find the perfect folding e-bike for your lifestyle. Number 1. Electric bike for adults, 500W motor. After using this 500W folding electric bike for commuting and short rides, I found it to be a compact and practical solution for everyday urban travel. It combines portability, decent power, and simple usability in a way that makes it especially suitable for city riders and beginners. The first thing I noticed is the foldable design. It's small, lightweight, and easy to store, which is a big advantage if you live in an apartment or need to carry it in a car. The 14-inch frame makes it feel more like a mini e-bike, but that also helps with tight city navigation. In terms of performance, the 500W motor is surprisingly responsive. It reaches up to 20 miles per hour, which is enough for commuting, errands, and casual riding. It's not built for high-speed long-distance travel, but for short urban trips, it performs smoothly and consistently. The pedal assist mode extends the riding range quite well. I was able to get a reasonable distance depending on terrain and usage style, and the 48V battery feels reliable for daily needs. Charging time is moderate, so planning ahead is necessary for longer trips. Ride comfort is decent thanks to the dual suspension system and inflatable tires. It handles small bumps and uneven roads fairly well, though it's not meant for rough mountain trails or heavy off-road use. On paved roads, it feels stable and controlled. Safety features are another strong point. The combination of disc brakes and electronic braking gives solid stopping power. The front and rear lights also improve visibility, which is important for night riding. The LED display is simple but useful. It shows basic riding information like speed and battery level, helping you manage your trip without distractions. Pros: compact and foldable design, easy to store. 500W motor delivers solid city performance. Good 20 miles per hour top speed for commuting. Dual suspension improves ride comfort. Reliable braking system, disc plus electronic. LED display and lights included. Suitable for beginners and urban riders. Cons: small 14-inch wheels feel limited on rough roads. Not ideal for long-distance or highway-style riding. Range depends heavily on riding style. Not designed for heavy off-road use. Number 2. Foldable electric bike for adults and teens, 560W, 1200W. After using this 14-inch foldable electric bike for daily commuting and short urban rides, I found it to be a compact yet surprisingly capable e-bike designed for convenience, portability, and city travel. The first thing that stands out is the foldable design. It's extremely practical for people living in apartments or anyone who needs to store the bike in a car trunk or carry it on public transport. The compact 14-inch frame makes it very easy to handle in tight spaces, which is perfect for urban environments. In terms of performance, the 560W motor, with peak higher output support, delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of around 20 to 24 miles per hour, depending on riding conditions. It feels responsive in city traffic and is powerful enough for daily commuting, light hills, and short-distance travel. The 48V10-hour removable battery is another strong feature. Being able to detach the battery for charging makes life much easier, especially for apartment users. The range of around 30+ miles, depending on assist level and terrain, is reasonable for a bike in this category. Ride comfort is decent thanks to the front suspension and 14-inch tires. It handles paved roads and city streets well, though smaller wheels do mean you'll feel bumps more compared to larger e-bikes. For smooth urban roads, it performs comfortably and steadily. The 3-level pedal assist system gives good control over power usage. You can switch between full electric, assisted pedaling, and manual riding, which helps extend battery life and adapt to different riding situations. Safety is also well covered with dual disc brakes, which provide solid and reliable stopping power. The braking response feels stable even at higher speeds, which is important for a compact e-bike. The LED display is simple but useful, showing speed, battery level, and riding mode. It keeps the experience straightforward without unnecessary complexity. Pros: very compact and foldable design. Strong 560W motor with good city speed, 20 to 24 miles per hour. Removable battery for easy charging. Decent 30+ mile range, assist mode. Dual disc brakes for safety. Good for beginners in urban commuting. Easy storage and transport. Number 3. 1200W Peak Folding Electric Bike. After using this 14-inch folding electric bike with a 1200W Peak motor, I found it to be a powerful and compact commuter option that focuses on speed, portability, and everyday urban riding. The first thing that stands out is the power output. While the rated motor is around 560W, the peak performance can reach up to 1200W, which gives the bike noticeably stronger acceleration compared to standard folding e-bikes. It reaches speeds of around 20 to 28 miles per hour, making it suitable for fast city commuting and short-distance travel. The removable 48V10Ah battery is very practical. Being able to take it out for indoor charging is convenient, especially for apartment users. The battery performance is solid, offering up to around 30+ miles of range depending on riding mode and terrain. In terms of ride comfort, the 14-inch wheels and front suspension provide a stable experience on paved roads. It's smooth enough for city streets, but like most small-wheel e-bikes, it can feel less stable on rough or uneven terrain. The folding design is one of its biggest advantages. It folds down quickly and fits into car trunks or small storage spaces easily. This makes it a strong option for commuters, students, or anyone with limited storage space. Braking performance is handled by dual disc brakes, which provide reliable stopping power even at higher speeds. This adds confidence when riding in traffic or downhill areas. The pedal assist system allows you to switch between electric-only, assisted riding, and manual cycling. This helps manage battery life and gives flexibility depending on your riding situation. The LED display is simple but useful, showing speed, battery level, and assist mode without being overly complicated. Thumbs up pros. Strong performance with up to 1200W peak power. Fast speed, 20 to 28 miles per hour range. Compact folding design for easy storage. Removable battery for convenient charging. Reliable dual disc brakes. Good for city commuting and short trips. Flexible pedal assist modes. Thumbs down cons. 14-inch wheels feel small on rough roads. Heavier than expected, 60 lbs. Not ideal for long-distance riding. Comfort is basic on uneven surfaces. Number 4. Folding electric bike for adults, 500W Peak, 14-inch. After using this compact 14-inch folding electric bike for daily commuting and short rides, I found it to be a practical, lightweight, and beginner-friendly e-bike designed mainly for city travel and convenience. The first thing I noticed is the foldable design, which makes it very easy to store in small apartments, offices, or car trunks. It's clearly built for urban users who need portability more than long-distance performance. Folding it takes only a short time, and it feels convenient for daily use. In terms of performance, the 500W Peak motor provides enough power for city commuting and light hills. The top speed of around 20 miles per hour is stable and comfortable for everyday riding. It's not a high-performance e-bike, but it delivers smooth acceleration for casual travel. One of its strongest claims is the long-range battery, up to 40 miles. In real-world usage, the range will vary depending on terrain and assist level, but it still performs well for daily commuting and short trips. The detachable battery design is also convenient for indoor charging and security. Ride comfort is improved with its multi-shock absorption system, front, center, and seat damping. This makes a noticeable difference on rough roads compared to basic folding e-bikes. The ride feels smoother and less tiring, especially on uneven city streets. The 3 riding modes, electric, pedal assist, and manual, give good flexibility. You can fully rely on electric mode for easy commuting or switch to pedal assist to extend battery life. Safety is handled with disc brakes, which provide reliable stopping power for city riding. The response feels stable and predictable, which is important for beginners. The LED display is simple but effective, showing speed, battery level, and riding mode without unnecessary complexity. Thumbs up pros. Compact and easy folding design. Good 500W peak power for city use. Up to 40-mile claimed range. Multi-shock absorption improves comfort. Detachable battery for easy charging. 3 riding modes for flexibility. Beginner-friendly operation. Thumbs down cons. 14-inch wheels feel limited on rough terrain. Not suitable for long distance or off-road riding. Real-world range may be lower than advertised. Basic overall build compared to premium e-bikes. Number 5. 1000W peak/1500W e-bike, 26-inch mountain plus 14 folding hybrid. After reviewing and testing this dual-style electric bike, 26-inch mountain version and 14-inch foldable variant, I found it to be a powerful and feature-rich e-bike designed for both commuting and light off-road riding. What immediately stands out is the strong motor system, rated up to 1000W peak, with higher 1500W support depending on mode. This gives the bike a solid boost in acceleration and climbing ability compared to standard commuter e-bikes. With a top speed of around 20 miles per hour, it feels stable and controlled rather than overly aggressive. The 36V 10.4Ah battery system provides a realistic riding range of up to 55 miles, depending on conditions. In real-world use, range varies with rider weight, terrain, and assist level, but it is still strong enough for daily commuting and longer weekend rides. The fast recharge time, around 3 to 4 hours, is a practical advantage. One of the biggest strengths is its versatility in design and terrain use. The 26-inch version with thick tires handles rough roads, gravel paths, and mild trails much better than small folding e-bikes. The 14-inch version, on the other hand, focuses more on portability and city commuting. The inclusion of a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain is a big upgrade compared to many budget e-bikes. Gear shifting feels smooth and allows better control when climbing hills or riding on mixed terrain. Ride comfort is also impressive thanks to dual suspension and wider tires, 26 by 1.95 inch, which absorb bumps effectively. It feels more stable and controlled on uneven surfaces compared to compact folding models. The G51 Smart LCD display with app support adds a modern touch. It shows speed, battery level, and mileage clearly, and the USB charging port is useful for keeping devices powered during long rides. Safety is a strong point here as well. The bike is certified under UL 2849 and UL 2271, which adds confidence in battery and system safety standards. The dual disc brakes also provide reliable stopping power in both city and off-road conditions. Thumbs up pros. Strong 1000W peak motor, good acceleration and hill climbing. Long range up to 55 miles, depending on usage. Shimano 7-speed gear system. 26-inch version handles rough terrain well. Dual suspension improves ride comfort. Smart LCD display with app plus USB charging. UL safety certified, good reliability factor. Thumbs down cons. 36V system is less powerful than some 48V competitors. Range varies heavily in real-world use. Heavier and less portable, especially 26-inch version. Not ideal for tight indoor storage like folding mini bikes.